going on, guys? Something completely different in the video. I've just started off now, so we're just doing delivery for our friend's takeaway business because one of his drivers is sick, so we're helping him out. So that's the first delivery. We're doing actually 2 deliveries. We've just put in £30 petrol, BP, trying to look for a shower, couldn't find one. Let's see how many miles we get with that. Let's go back a bit. Almost ran him over. Sorry, bro. Sorry. First delivery. Okay, bro. Obviously, we're gonna take it nice and easy first. By the way, we've never done a delivery like this. First one's cash, second one's paid for. So let's see how many miles we get for £30. I put in super unleaded BP. Sorry, I can't stop for you guys. I got delivery. This food's getting cold. Okay, this is pretty dangerous. This is scooter man almost hit into it. Is he giving me away? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Wow, I think I know what it is. It's a Vauxhall VXR. There's 2 types. You got like a fast one that's like 500 brake horsepower. Cold. So. Okay, so the 2 deliveries. Let's go. Car motorbike out of nowhere. Oh, he's doing way more than 30 miles per hour. Oh, hopefully the exhaust stops quick. That's right. Oh, such a mess in here. Turning circle is rubbish in this car. Okay, so that's our 4th delivery done. We're on our way back to the shop now. So far, every delivery we've done is early. For example, the last delivery was done at 7:35. It's supposed to be 7:35, but we've done it at 7:21. Which means we're 16 minutes early, thanks to Type-R again. That's quite tight, that was. It just means that every delivery driver needs to get a Type-R. Well, that's 5th delivery done now. Okay. 13 miles so far. It's quite busy today. It is busy. I've never seen it so busy. I think the weather, because it's a sunny weekend, contributes to why it's so busy. Alright, so number 6 is done. So we just come back from the shop and just picked up another 3. So that will make 10 orders, but we'll just do it in order. So 7 orders. We're going to go to the 8th order right now. Went to give the food, but some other neighbours come out and actually tried to take the food off me. And I asked, can you give me the money first? And then they refused after that point. So you gotta be prepared. Good thing is we knew that they haven't paid, so that's why I asked for the money first, and they didn't give the money. So yeah, man, that was a tough one. That was. I almost lost the food. 25 quid. That was delivery number 10. Minus the 5, that's 25 miles we've done so far. 10 deliveries, 25 miles. Still got a quarter tank of petrol left. Oh, it's in a crash. Alright, go away. Another 2 orders after we come back. Okay. Oh, you see that? Yeah, by the way, we just delivered number 11, 30 miles so far. We're on some right rough areas, like, I'm telling you, like, the cruiser rate's quite high. Be back in a sec. Okay, so that was delivery number 12, done, finished, back to the shop. These areas are just so different. What? Like 4 times now. Yeah, 179.9 per litre daylight robbery. But we're getting there. I'm sure the reserve lights will come on soon. But let's just see if it was worth it at the end of the day. And we're back out again, racing the delivery company. 37 miles now. Still ain't hit the reserve bank yet on super unleaded. This car's doing phenomenal. VTEC delivery. Oh, exhaust. 41 miles. 13 deliveries. We haven't hit reserve lights yet. Whoa! So we finished the last delivery, went back to the shop, we gave all the receipt. It's 11 o'clock, we started at 6:30, which works out to be 4.5 hours, and in total we gave £53 is how much we earned. So £53, the £50 was the payment, but £3 for tip. This is a takeaway anyway, so it's not like Uber, it's not like delivery where it's a fixed rate, it's a takeaway, so the payments are a bit different. So we made £53 in 4.5 hours with the Civic Type R. We, like I said, we just went through 13 deliveries and non-stop, not a time to park up, just in and out, 2-3 deliveries at the same time, and £53, 4.5 hours. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and let me know. Stay tuned for the next video.